What is up? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So today we are back inside of Maschine, and I want to show you how you can take a boring sound and make it sound just a little bit more interesting. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's tutorial, which is how to make a boring sound just a little bit more interesting. So let me go ahead and start off by playing what I have so far. All right, so it's just some chords right here out of Massive. So what I like to do, I like to go ahead and add a filter. And let's go ahead and play it now. And what I like to do is change the cutoff here until I can hear some resonance kind of peeking through just a little bit. So just about right there sounds about right to me. So let me go ahead and now adjust the modulation here. And what I'm going for is that pumping and breathing effect without having to do like a sidechain input here. And with adjusting the modulation, what you can now hear is that it's out of time. So how do we put that back into time? So we can use the source here of LFO and then do LFO sync, which is going to place it right in time here. So now we can select the note value. So let's go ahead and select the speed, which I like to call note value. And I selected a quarter note. And another thing you can also do if it doesn't sound right, you can also adjust the phase. You got negative and positive values. It sounds about right to me, so I'll leave it right here in the middle. Then you can adjust the shape. So with the LFO shape, all that really does is allow you to change the type of wave. So you can go from a sine wave to a triangle to more like a square wave. So let's go ahead and play with this a little bit. So I think I like it right here in the middle. And then to finish everything out, you can add a reverb. I like to use metaverb. And then last but not least, you add a kick pattern in here. So that is how you can turn a boring sound into something a little bit more interesting. If you found value, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and we will see you on the next video. We out.